Today, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little carrot. You can use any size thread or yarn for this project. Just make sure to pair it with the right crochet hook size. For this one, I used number 3 thread and a size D crochet hook. You'll also need about a yard of green thread for the leaves. Let's get started. Begin with a slip knot. Now, chain 9. Make 3 double crochets in the third chain from the hook. Double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Half double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Single crochet in the next chain. In the last chain, make 2 slip stitches. Turn to work on the opposite side of the chain. Hint: work over the tail so you do not have to weave it in later. Single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Make 3 double crochets in the last chain. Join to the top of the beginning double crochet with a slip stitch. End off and weave in the end. Attach the green thread in the stitch to the right of the top center stitch. Chain 4 and slip stitch into the center stitch of the carrot. Chain 6 and slip stitch into the stitch to the left of center. Chain 4 and slip stitch back into the same stitch. end off and weave in all ends. You are finished. Enjoy making as many as you want. This one with thread ended up to be 1 1/2 inches. If you want a larger carrot, use a larger hook and yarn.